Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing some simple DIYs. All the DIYs in this video are done by using Itsy Bitsy Craft products, and I have done some coasters using stone texture paste, planter using craft cement, and clay plates for storing accessories like chains and rings. If you are a craft lover or you have any other kind of hobby, something related to arts, jewelry making, scrapbooking or home decor, they got wide range of products for each hobby. So I would recommend you guys to check out their website, and my favorite Itsy Bitsy products are pouring acrylic paints and chalk paints. They got like wide range of colors from pastel colors to darker shades, so I really love them and they are amazing. Give it a try, just check out their website. And before getting into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure to subscribe and do follow me on Instagram. So let's get started.
For the first DIY, we need an MDF coaster and stone texture paste. Apply the texture paste and spread evenly on the coaster surface. Let it dry for few hours until it looks something like this. Now take your favorite acrylic paints. Here I am using pouring paints in pastel colors and paint on the textured surface. Now let it dry and we are done. Next DIY is a planter made out of craft cement. This is about 450 grams cement. Take a bowl and mix the cement with water. Mix it until it's slurry but not too runny. And we are done with cool clay plates for storing accessories. The last DIY is a Decoupage Storage Box. Take a wooden box and paint it using the color of your choice. Now take decoupage napkin . Peel the extra layer which is at the back of the napkin and cut out the design. Using normal glue or decoupage glue, stick the cutting on the wooden surface. Likewise, stick all the cuttings on the box. Now for the final touch, use a single coat of varnish and let it dry. And we are done with the beautiful storage box. All the product links are down below in the description box.
That's it for today's video. I hope you guys like this video. If so, please like and share. And Rakhi is almost here, and if you're still figuring out what to gift your brothers and sisters, then I got few gift ideas. I'll link those video links down below in the description box. So please make sure to check out those as well. Till then, take care. See you in the next video.